One of the stars of the 2016 New York International Auto Show is this. It's the brand new Mazda MX-5 RF, where RF stands for retractable fastback. And that's because it's got this sort of Targa roof arrangement. Actually reminds me a bit of the Ferrari 575 Super America with these buttresses here. It's a very good looking thing. Possibly the roof line might be just a little high around there, but it's very nice. You can take the glass screen up and down on its own without retracting the full roof, which is quite good. And the whole thing goes up and down in just 12 seconds and it speeds up to 6 miles an hour. It's a rather lovely looking thing. There's going to be a price premium in the UK of probably about £2,500, we're thinking. The weight penalty, which is obviously one of the things with a hardtop roof, we're thinking it's going to be around about 50 kilos, which shouldn't be too detrimental. It's probably about 5% of the overall weight of the car. Yes, it's going to be high up, but given the last one, you really didn't feel that much of an effect anyway. They're saying they've retuned the steering, the electric power assisted steering, and the suspension, and they've also added a bit more sound deadening in the rear wheel arches, just to try and make it a more sort of, relaxing car to drive, I suppose. The ride quality, they said they've improved, which is something we didn't actually sort of think it needed improving, to be honest, because it's very good on the standard Roadster. This is a machine grey colourway, which is special and unique to this car. 3 layers of paint. And yeah, people seem to absolutely love it. Let us know what you think in the comments box below. And you can have a look at the roof going up and down at the launch as well, if you like, on our Facebook page. And any other details I've gotten, log on to evo.co.uk and all the rest of the details will be on there. So there we are. That's the brand new Mazda. Oh, I nearly forgot. You can now get 6-speed auto with it as well, which you didn't really want to know because you're going to have the manual, aren't you? Because it's a Mazda MX-5, and why wouldn't you have the manual? There we are, the Mazda MX-5 RF.